Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you a way where you can pull multiple audio tracks out of a video file as long as you're recording those tracks separately within OBS. And if you're creating content, more than likely you are, because you don't want it to get too loud. What I'm using is Camtasia, and I love Camtasia. I'm actually using version 21, so it's a couple years old, but it's worked great for me. So I continue to use it. However, there's one thing that I wish that they would fix on it. When I import a video file that I've recorded through OBS, it's all one audio track. And I don't like that, right? I want to be able to modify the audio from different layers or different tracks, whatever your terminology is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I do that. First things first is I've got this recording that I'm going to go ahead and just place in there. And I'm going to go ahead and bring that down into the track here. And you'll notice that, again, it doesn't include everything. It only included one of the audio tracks via OBS. And you can see that I've got just this right here. And all this is going to be, this is my game sound. Not hearing any of my microphone that's on a specific track or my Discord. So let's go ahead and fix that. To do that, you're going to take that file, you're going to use a program. It's a free program. It's called Audacity. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to throw your video file into Audacity. So let me go ahead and open that. Okay, here's my video file. And notice here, it knows that there are three different channels, three different tracks, if you will, in there with audio. And the way that I have my OBS configured is, number one, or channel one is going to be me, channel two is Discord, and channel three is game sounds. And what's great about that are these game sounds, down here I've also got game sounds, but this is also system sounds. So, like if I get a notification on my computer, it would have popped up on here as well. So I record all three of them. So what I can do is I can select them, add them, and then it's going to go ahead and import just the audio files of that video file into Audacity. I've got three of them here, final one, final two, and final three. Now what I'm going to do, we're going to want to export multiple files. Okay, we want to export these to an MP3 format into my recording folder. Let's do that here. We're going to go to File, Export Audio. We've got right here, we've got my recording file. We're going to click Save. There it is. You can see the directory. We want it to be MP3 files. Now, we don't want to export the entire range. We want multiple files. And what this will do is this will actually keep the existing name, but it'll add a 1, 2, and 3 at the end. I'll export that. This can take some time depending on how powerful your computer is and what preset you have. And what will happen is it will export those three MP3 files into that directory. There we go. Click OK. Close this. We don't need it anymore, so I'm not even going to save it. And now I'm going to go ahead and add 1, 2, 3 MP3s, right? There they are. And I'm just going to go ahead and add them here. Now, if you're using something like Adobe Premiere, this is going to work for you automatically. You don't have to worry about this. But there are plenty of other applications that don't split up the audio tracks. And here you can see now, I've got my system sounds here. I've got, and again, it matches that top one because that's the third one. And if you remember, that's my game sounds. So I'm actually going to just go ahead and silence this one here. I don't need to have those sounds, but I need the video because this is the video file. And here I've got me talking. I've got Discord. And now this is important, right? Here we'll be able to hear me. So I'm thinking we stay away from each other is our strategy here. Now that's me. Now, if I zoom in here, what you'll notice is on Discord, you really want to be careful because you can't separate those tracks out. Let's say you're in a Discord group with 4 people, like I was. You'll want to maintain and configure the audio settings per user. You just right click on that user and you can adjust their volume, because what you're going to have here is I have someone who's got a little bit of a hot mic here and someone who's got a bit of a cold mic. And you'll be able to tell that when I go over them.
And just lay down bombs, I guess.
Yeah, it will separate us in the beginning into different
See what I mean? So make sure before you do your recordings, you want really clean audio. In Discord, you're going to have to go ahead and adjust each person. The settings that you configure are local to your system. But right here now, I've got all three of those audio tracks exported from my video file. Hopefully this is going to help you with your workflow when you're creating content. I know for me, it was a big thing. I was actually going to step away from Camtasia. I love this product, okay? I think it's great for what I do. But then I found that you can actually export those audio tracks. And this is a lifesaver when it comes to creating content. Hope you all liked it. Let me know. Don't forget to like it if you did. Subscribe would be great. We'll see you on the other side.